Have you ever opened Fiverr or Upwork and felt like every niche you knew was suddenly crowded by the same templates, the same cheap gigs, and, worst of all, AI-generated deliverables that look good enough? What I'm about to tell you is not clickbait. AI will eliminate up to 90% of today's freelance gigs as we know them. And if you do nothing, your income will shrink or vanish. But if you act smart, you can become one of the 10% who get richer from AI. Stay with me because in the next 12 minutes I'll explain why this will happen, which gigs will disappear first, which ones will survive and even thrive, and give you a practical 12-month plan to protect and grow your freelance career. I'll show concrete, actionable moves you can start today. In 60 seconds, I'll reveal the single habit that top earners use to make AI multiply their rates instead of destroying them. Don't skip. I'll repeat it later with a step-by-step checklist. The scale. Why 90%? Let's be blunt. AI automates repeatable cognitive tasks extremely well. Tasks that follow patterns, templates, or fixed processes. Think. Basic copywriting, image resizing and background removal, simple logo generation, data entry, first draft video editing, and routine transcription. These were the backbone of freelance marketplaces because they're easy to standardize and therefore easy to automate. When I say 90%, I don't mean every single gig disappears overnight. I mean 90% of the gigs that depend primarily on pattern recognition and low-context creativity will either be fully automated or become so cheap that human providers can't compete on price. Platforms will favor AI-first tools, clients will prioritize speed and low cost, and margins will collapse. Why now? Because the last 2 to 3 years moved models from helpful to replaceable. AI doesn't get tired, it scales, and it undercuts the unit economics of small-ticket gigs. That's why the freelance floor price for many services is already trending downward. Later, I'll walk through one case study. A copywriter who lost 70% of their low-ticket gigs but rebuilt a business with a single pivot that increased income 3 times. You'll want to hear the pivot. Which gigs die first? Here's the short list of high-risk freelance gigs. The ones that will suffer first. Low-value copywriting. Short product descriptions, basic blog intros. Template-based design. Simple logos, social templates. Routine video edits, cutting clips together, captioning. Basic data entry and transcription. SEO, keyword stuffing and formulaic content production. Why these? Because they're high volume, low context, and easy to evaluate. A client can accept a 90% good result if it's cheap and immediate. And that's exactly what AI can deliver. But there's a second wave to watch for. Mid-tier gigs that rely on quick human judgment. Think junior motion designers, basic UX tweaks, or mid-level PowerPoint specialists. These will see reduced demand and become price competitive with AI-assisted outputs unless the freelancer adds something humans uniquely provide. I'll show you how to test whether your gig is safe in under 30 minutes. A simple experiment with an AI tool and client feedback that reveals whether your service is easily automatable. Which gigs survive and thrive? Not everything dies. The survivors share 5 traits. High context expertise. Deep domain knowledge that can't be faked quickly. Niche legal writing. Specialized technical consulting. Emotional resonance and empathy. Therapy-adjacent coaching. Brand storytelling with lived experience. High-touch collaboration. Long-term strategy work. Fractional CMOS. Retained creative directors. Bespoke craftsmanship. Handcrafted illustrations. Luxury motion design. Bespoke AR/VR experiences. Systems orchestration. People who can combine multiple tools, manage vendors, and deliver end-to-end outcomes. If your work requires relationship, trust, nuanced judgment, or bespoke craft, AI becomes a tool, not a replacement. You'll be paid more for integrating AI correctly than for competing with it. Quick example, a social media manager who shifts from post creation to audience growth strategist plus community moderator becomes indispensable. Why? Because people pay for outcomes, revenue, retention, brand equity, not raw content. I'll reveal the three-word framing that helps clients see you as irreplaceable. And it's shockingly simple. Practical 12-month plan. What to do now. If you want to survive and grow, here's a 12-month roadmap you can follow. Do them in order. Each builds on the previous. Month 0 to 1. Audit and validate. List every gig you sell. For each ask, can an AI deliver 80% of the result with minimal prompt engineering? If yes, mark as high risk. 30-minute AI test. Run your core task through a free AI tool and compare. If clients accept the AI result as is, it's automated. Month 2 to 3. Specialize and deepen. Pick one niche that requires domain knowledge, e.g., Shopify conversion copy for health products. Invest 20 hours in intensive learning, courses, frameworks, case studies, and produce 3 portfolio case studies showing measurable outcomes. Month 4 to 6. Productize and raise prices. Convert services into outcomes, e.g., I increased checkout conversion by X% in 8 weeks, not I write copy. Create 2 productized offers, a low-touch, AI-assisted package, higher margin per hour, and a high-touch premium package, retainer. Month 7 to 9. Build systems and leverage AI. Learn to orchestrate AI. Use it to do drafts, research, and speed up delivery while adding human judgment. Document your process and playbooks so you can hire or scale later. Month 10 to 12. Scale and diversify income. Add non-gig income, templates, micro courses, or a small subscription community. Start outreach to 3 ideal clients per week for high-ticket work. Replace low-value gigs with 2 to 3 retained clients. Key daily habit, the habit I promised earlier. Ship with intent. Every deliverable must be shipped with a short results note. What changed, what metric moved, and next recommended step. That note is how you attach business value to your work. At month 6, you'll do a price test I'll describe next. It's the fastest way to see if the market values your shift. How to package yourself and price. Stop selling hours. Start selling outcomes and guarantees. Packaging does 3 things. It simplifies buying, justifies higher prices, and differentiates you from AI. Tier 1. Quick win. AI assisted. Fixed deliverable. Fast turnaround, low price, high automation. Use this as a lead magnet. Tier 2. Strategy plus execution. Mid-price. Deliver strategy plus implementation with measurable KPIs. Tier 3. Retainer/fractional role. High ticket, long-term outcomes, monthly metrics, retainer contract. Pricing rule of thumb. Charge at least 3 times your current hourly rate when moving from task to outcome-based selling. Clients pay for risk reduction and results, not time. Offer a small money-back clause tied to an agreed metric, e.g., increase in engagement, lead quality. That builds trust and makes clients choose humans for complex judgments. Here's the final truth. AI will crush commodified freelance gigs, but it will also create more lucrative opportunities for people who adapt. If you follow the roadmap, audit, specialize, productize, orchestrate AI, and diversify, you'll not only survive, you'll thrive. Quick checklist recap. Say slowly on camera. Audit, specialize, productize, orchestrate, scale. If you want the 12-month template as a downloadable checklist and the email script to pitch high-ticket clients, comment "Save Me" below, and I'll drop the download link in the pinned comment. Also, share one gig you think is safe, and I'll tell you honestly, whether I think A, I will replace it. In the next video, I'll analyze a real freelancer's gig live and show exactly how to repackage it into a 3-tier offering that commands 4 times the price. Subscribe and hit the bell. Don't miss it.